me. Uh-oh, look who's getting away. Oh, hurry up. Go get him. What did I say? Who said no?
Papi.
And why did you close it? Why did you close it?
Yeah.
What did Poppy say?
He just wants balls to get out.
What did Poppy say about the door?
No.
He really cares.
Yeah.
Look at how many balls. Come on, white car. Go, white car.
I think it's getting tired. Good push. That was a good push.
Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Gonna get it. Oh, look at all that. Look at that. Yes!
I got it!
What's it doing? Making a...
Bedroom.
I don't know. Train?
Train.
Bedroom.
Very busy. It's gonna make the corner.
Just give it a little push from behind.
Here it comes. Push the blue one now. Push the blue one. Just a little push. Mm-hmm. Whoops, whoops. You have a lot of work to do with this, don't you? A lot of work. What about the yellow one? Oh, nice turn. Whoa! Okay.